From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Jake Sorber, bringing you your Campus Weather Service forecast. And I have good news. We are going to see some warmer temperatures as we end the week this week, and I'll talk about that a little bit later. But right now, we're looking at our view over Beaver Stadium. We're seeing overcast skies, and currently, for our temperature, we're sitting at about 28 degrees right now. Calm winds, so not feeling that wind chill factor right now, so it's not too bad outside. And we did see some snow flurries earlier on this morning if you were out and about at all. And speaking of that, if we're looking at our current satellite and radar, we do see those snow flurries are starting to break up, becoming more sporadic throughout the state, so they're not going to be bothering us for much more of the day as they're going to be dissipating throughout the morning this morning. If we look at our future chance for precipitation and we look at later on this evening, we do see these chances of rain popping up. So tonight at 8:30, we're going to see some rain showers starting to begin to move through the area, and those are going to linger throughout the overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. As we go forward in time here, we're going to see a steadier chance of rain begin to move through. So the shield of precipitation is going to move through our area tomorrow at about 10 a.m. So that's going to move through, and it's going to clear out tomorrow afternoon, and we're going to be left with some sunny skies tomorrow as the sun sets on us here in State College. Now let's look at our long-term chance of precipitation. Here we see this chance of precipitation moving through the area around about Sunday at 9 a.m. So it's going to stay to our north, though. It's going to stay to our north until about Sunday afternoon going into Monday morning, but we will see some clouds as are associated with that storm, this big area of precipitation that's going to be moving through. But we're going to remain in this warm sector Saturday and Sunday. So that's going to have big implications for what our temperatures are going to be like, which is what I'll talk about in a little bit here. And as we go forward in time, still looking at the precipitation, this is the Euro model run and what it thinks is going to happen for us here in State College. This is Monday at 5 a.m. So this is Monday morning, and these yellow colors are indicative of heavier precipitation. So that might even mean some thunderstorms here in State College. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. We will have some instability because we will have warm, moist air here at the surface, as we will be in that warm sector for 2 days ahead of this storm system. So speaking of that warm air, this is Friday at 7 p.m. Look at this temperature, 74 degrees here in State College. We haven't seen that in a while. As we go forward in time into Saturday, we see that the low temperature Friday night doesn't get down too low, and then the high jumps back up into the mid-70s on Saturday. But as we see that rain begin to move in, these cooler temperatures, these 60s and these 50s, are going to begin to bleed into our area with that precipitation, as that precipitation brings down the temperature a little bit, as we can see manifested here going through Sunday. This is Sunday morning at 8 a.m., 51 for a temperature here in State College as that precipitation begins to fall. So now let's look at our near-term forecast. So this is today. We're expecting a high of 49 degrees. And again, we will see a stray shower later on this evening, mostly cloudy skies and winds out of the southwest at 5 miles per hour. And if we go forward through tonight, the temperature is going to drop a little bit, not too much, but we're going to see a low of 40 degrees here in State College, a stray shower as that more steady rain begins to move in the area tomorrow morning, and winds out of the southwest at 5 miles per hour. So now let's look at tomorrow. The temperature jumps up quite a bit. We're getting into that warm sector of that big storm that's approaching us. So the temperature is going to begin to jump up. Rain is going to dominate throughout most of the morning. But as we get into tomorrow afternoon, that will clear out and we will see the sun pop out. And the winds are going to increase a little bit here out of the southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. So now let's look at our 7-day forecast and see what the rest of the week has in store for us. So we are going to see those temperatures begin to work their way up throughout the week, 64 for a high on Thursday. And then getting into Friday and Saturday, again, we're going to see those highs into the mid-70s. So definitely welcome temperatures as we've all been dreading the prolonged winter weather. And unfortunately, though, we are going to see some cooler temperatures move in behind that cold front, and possibly even some chances of some wintry precipitation yet before the pattern begins to really break down and we see more of those spring temperatures. But that is coming. The models are showing us the opportunity for those warmer temperatures moving in throughout the next couple of weeks. So definitely something to look forward to. Winter is on its last leg. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Jake Sorber. Have a great day.